Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today we are going to just continue the last topic of chapter one. Okay, so today, we are going to complete the questions that it is left off because the last time we have already completed our chapters. Okay, we can see part. You can all see part one, part two, part three. If you have already missed the video, if you have seen, then I think we know the chapter is already completed. So some few questions are left. Okay, so out of these questions, so what we have done till now, let us stick. Okay, so let me take the questions that we have already done it. So question number one, not done. Okay, so question number one, it is done. Okay, so only question number one is done from number one. That means B, C, D, E is left. So let us do question number, except number A, that is B, C, D, E. Okay, so let us do this question. Let me discuss about this question. Okay, so let me clear this. Okay, so number B, C, D, E. A number we have done it. If you have not done, please do it. Okay, by looking at the previous videos. Okay, so let me talk about the question. So let me show you. Okay, so I prepared this for you all. Okay, I hope you can see it properly. Okay, so number B. So what are the tools of office procedure? So what are the tools? That means what are the things that we are learning? What we are going to learn in office procedure? What are the topics? What are the titles that we are going to learn in office procedure? So main topic, that is main topic that we are going to learn, that is main essential thing that we need in office procedure is one is the tippany. Okay, tippany. Okay, so we call it memo in English, tippany. Next one is report. So there are different types of report. We have already learned about this one. And the next thing is resolution. Resolution, there are two types of resolution. Okay, so ordinary and the special type. So special resolution is there. So there are three things that we need in office procedure. They are, okay, the common tools of office procedure are tippany, report, and resolution. Okay, so if you write down this much, so that will be the answer of number B. Okay, so just listen. So afterwards also we can repeat the video. Otherwise, pause the video. Just listen what I'm saying it. Okay. So next one is number C. Why is tippany drafted? Why is tippany recorded? Okay, drafted means recorded. Others prepared. Tippany kina lekhincha. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so why is tippany prepared, others drafted? Okay, kina cha tippany lekhiन्छ? Because so tippany is drafted, others prepared for collecting information and suggestion. Okay, so they are prepared for collecting information and suggestion from different level authorities, which serve as the basis for making sound decision. That means, so from one level to next level, okay, from next level to the top level. So in this way, they keeps on making the decision. Okay, so because we may not know what is going on with the lower level stuff, if we are the upper level staff, I mean master level staff one, that is we are the manager, we are the managing director of the company, means we may not know what the laborers are facing, okay, what they are facing, so what they need, so we may not know, and they cannot come directly to the director office also, because there is a process. Okay, so what they will do, so they will write on the letter, okay, so about what they need in their company, so they will go transfer to the middle officer. Okay, so middle officer kun cha ta, deputy officer ki officer ho. Okay, so they will go to that one, and after the deputy officer, so they will go to the managing director. Oh, sorry, process by process they will go. And so what they will do, so they will ask some suggestion, they will give the information. Okay, so हामीलाई यस्तो चाहिएको छ, यस्तो यस्तो भइरहेछ company-मा. Okay, so they will give the information. So why it is prepared, so for collecting the information and suggestion from different level authority, that means different level staff बाट so के problem र situation हरु face गरिरहेछ, they will get the information about it, and also they serve as the basis for making sound decision. That means sound भनेको यो स्वर सुन्नुको लागि भनेको हैन. So sound decision means or good decision. Okay, they are the sources for making the good decision of the company. So that is all about. So why is tippany drafted? So that is the answer for it. So next one is, what is annual report? Okay, so we have already underlined that word. So why is on a report prepared one? Types of report by any. Okay, so you can see in page number. Let me see. So you can see in page number 7. Okay, so 7 at the last you can see number 5, annual report. So you can see, you can write down what is annual report from that underlying words. So refer page number 7, and you can see the bottom line. So everything is underlined over there. So just you need to write down the underlined words. Is that okay? Okay, so next one. Next one is the resolution relating to declaration of dividend? Declaration of dividend, that means dividend barne ki na barne. Suppose you have given, so you have collected the shares, collected भयो, collection भयो, okay. Our dividend barne ki na barne, that means if you take the loan, so you are going to pay the interest, okay, ब्याज तिर्छ तिम्रो. But if you are doing the share, okay, if you are dealing with the share भने तिम्रो if the company मा तिमीले share हालेको छ भने तिमीले interest and what you are going to get? You are going to get the dividend. Okay, so whether to declare about the dividend or not, how much percentage shall we give as the dividend? Okay, ब्याज, okay, it is like a ब्याज, but the word for this share is called dividend. And so how much shall we give as the dividend? Okay, so profit jati bhayo त्यसको 30% दिने हो. Okay, so in the previous topic only they are already going to discuss. Okay, so 40% they are going to give as a dividend भने अगाडि नै डिस्कस गरिरहेको हुन्छ. So there are two types of resolution. So one is the ordinary resolution. Okay, जता चाहिँ 50% मात्रै पारित भयो भने it is going to work. Okay, so special type of resolution means, so it is going to be from part to part. That means 75%, more than 75% is needed to declare about the dividend. Okay, so you're साधारण हो यो. Okay, so dividend बाँड्ने कि नबाँड्ने त, पैसा बाँड्ने कि नबाँड्ने त, it is a simple topic. So that's why. So what type of dividend is it? So is it ordinary or the special category? That means it is the ordinary type. Okay, यो ordinary हो कि special हो भन्दाखेरि यो ordinary मात्रै हो, because it is if 50% of them they says that okay, so let us distribute, then they can distribute. So no need to collect 75%. We don't need 75% of boarding and all. Okay, so your monthly नै select गर्ने आटेको होइन, यो just पैसा मात्रै बाँड्नु आटेको. That's why it is just the ordinary category. Okay, so it is the ordinary resolution. Okay, the resolution relating to declaration of dividend is ordinary category. Okay, so that is the answer of it. Okay, so let me go to short answer. So let me show you the question again. If you have not copied that answers, please pause the video and you can see the answer. Okay, so let us talk about number 2. So which number we have done it till now? Okay, so if you are talking about number 2, then number 1A we have done, 2A, so 2A we have done, 2B we have done, 2C we have done it, 2D also we have done, procedure also we have done it, and this number E we have not done, number F we have done, types of resolution also we have done it. That means A, B, C, D, and F we have already done it. So let us discuss about number E. Okay, let us discuss about number E from question number 2. Okay, so let me clear this first. So hope you are also taking the answers that you have already done it. And now, so let me go to the answer, number E. Okay, so let me read out the question for you all. An annual report reflects the overall performance and the position of the company. So what does it mean? Annual report annual report means, so the report that is made after 1 year, okay, is 1 year, every 1 year. Okay, so due to your annual report, you are promoted from one class to next class. You are improving or not? If you are not improving, so shall we keep you all in the same class? Otherwise, shall we promote under the consideration or not? Okay, so everything. So this annual report is going to declare. Okay, so annual report like timalai. So okay, okay, so this everything will be said by the help of this annual report. So annual report reflects the overall performance and the position of a company explain. Okay, so यसले सबै झल्काउँछ अरे 1 वर्षमा 1 वर्षमा के गरेछ overall. So it shows all the performance and position of the company. Is it true? Okay, so let us explain about this one. So number okay, since annual report is prepared once a year, okay, 1 वर्षमा एकचोटि बनाउँछ with all the activities. Okay, so whatever activities are going on in the company, so whether it is financial or whether it is a performance basis, it is about the progress, whether our company is going on the progress, so whether we are not going on the progress, what are our achievements and all. Okay, हामीले के सुधार गरेका छौं, हामीले के achieve गरिसकेका छौं, के title पाइसकेका छौं, so everything, so we are going to record in the what annual report. Okay, so how to overcome if there are some situations, how to overcome from that situation. Okay, so हामीलाई के difficulties आछ भने problem statement of problems छ भने, so हामी कसरी, so how can we overcome that situation, everything will be written in what annual report. Okay, so that's why, so everything is recorded where in the annual report. एक वर्ष हामीले के face गर्यौं त. Okay, so what are the activities we have done? Suppose if we are in the school, then हाम्रो स्कुलमा के भयो त यो वर्षमा. So there were the sports week. Okay, so we have done the sports, we have done the quiz, we have done different ECA activities. So we have learned properly. So there were the computers, so the smart classes were running. So there were some programs also, Children's Day also. So there are so many activities that we have run in this class. Okay, so during this year. Oh, यही हो एक वर्षमा के activities गरे त तिमीहरुले. Okay, so that is the annual report. So annual report also helps to state the total income and the expenses, which give us clear idea about the financial position also. That means एक वर्षमा what were our incomes, what were our expenditure. Okay, so if income was greater than expenditure, हामीले आम्दानी चाहिँ धेरै, expenditure, that means खर्च चाहिँ कम गरे भने, what is our status? We are in the profit. Okay, but if the income is more, if the income is less and the expenditure is more, okay, जति कमाएको छ त्यो भन्दा धेरै खर्च छ भने, is our company in the profit? No, our company is in loss. Okay, so that annual report will say whether our company is in profit or not also. Okay, so हाम्रो clear idea पनि दिने काम गर्छ about the financial position. So they also shows the problems, they also shows the challenges. So okay, what are our strength, what is our power, okay, what is our weakness. Okay, so how to solve this weakness. हामीमा पनि त अलिअलि गल्ती त होला नि त. Okay, so maybe so I got one problem maybe. Okay, so if you say that problem, so what I got the problem, that means I can solve the problem, right? So I know, so you also have the problem, you do not speak, so because of you do not speak, so you are also having some problem. नबुझेको कुरै नसोधेपछि कहाँबाट बुझ्ने. Okay, so that's why, so this problem चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो, you must solve it. That means you must speak. That is the problem, that is a solution for that problem. Okay, so what is the problem? So I may not know it. Okay, so if you say that share that problem with me, then what I can do, I can solve that problem. Okay, isn't it? So all the weakness and all, okay, so what is our strength, what is our weakness, everything can be seen by the help of annual report. So we can say that annual report reflects the overall performance and position of the company. Okay, so reflect everything, it is reflected by what annual report. Annual report sabai bhanne काम गर्छ. So it also shows the position, what is our position of the company. Our position के छ त. So if we are strong enough, that means we are in the top level. If we are weak than others, okay, I mean weak छौ अरु भन्दा weak छौ भने we are in a loose position. हामी अलिकति तलपट्टि छौ अब. Okay, so we need to develop. Okay, if we are in the top position, we must stay in that position. We have the challenges that we must stay. So अरुले हामीले त्यो कोसिस गर्छौं, we must stay in that position भनेर it will show. Okay, so annual report will show, will reflect, okay, so will reflect all the performance and position of our company. Okay, so this must for number 2E. Okay, so for 2E number, so question number 2E, we need to write down up to this much. Okay, so next thing, so here, so let me show you the question again. So this much for question number 2E. Now let us see what we have done in question number 3 also. Okay, so in question number 3, we have done number 3a. What is Tiffany? Importance of Tiffany, we have done it. So if you have not done, please do it. So what is report also we have done. What is resolution and its importance also we have done it. That means what is left? Draft of Tiffany to purchase 5 Pentium 5 computer required by the Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay, so that means we need to purchase the computer. Is it? Okay, so in your new book, according to the new book, so instead of 5 Pentium 5 computer, yeah, in your book there is written laptop, I think. Is it? Okay, so in case of computer, so just remember this is the old book, that's why there is a Pentium 5 computer, but in your book, new book, it is written laptop. Okay, laptop so same thing is there, just instead of in case of this computer, we need to replace by laptop. Okay, so let us see how to make the draft. Okay, how to make the Tiffany. Okay, so Tiffany kasari banaune, so let us learn. So last time also we have already discussed how to make the Tiffany and all. Okay, so let me clear and let me show you that answer also. Okay, so okay, let me show you. Okay, so I have made for you all this one. So kasari banaune ta? So long answer type, draft Tiffany to purchase 5 laptops. Okay, this is your question in the new book. 5 laptops required by the Minister of Science and Technology. Okay, so where is this Ministry of Science and Technology? So it is in Kathmandu. Okay, so Singadeva. So what I have done it. So it is the Sarkari office. That means we need to write on Nepal government at the top. Okay, so what is your whatever it is your normal handwriting, so write down with the same handwriting Nepal government at the top. Okay, so with a little bit bigger handwriting, write down Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay, with little bit bigger handwriting, bold letter so let us make it write down 2 times so that it becomes a little bit bold. So Nepal government, Ministry of Science and Technology, and down write down Singadarbar, Kathmandu. It is located in Singadarbar, Kathmandu. Okay, with a normal handwriting. Okay, leave 1 or 2 lines and write down subject purchase, about purchasing laptop. Okay, then after that draw the line. So draw the line. So draw the line over here. Okay, so that you make it attractive. And when you make write down this all later, then you need to make the letter shape. Okay, so you're a later just you're a line okay, and if you don't have copies left, if you don't have the space left, please write down all this letter in 1 page. Okay, so half I'll write down in the next page, half I'll write down in the next page. This is the letter, my dear. It is like an application, so application should be written in the same page. Okay, not in the different pages. So try to write on in the same page. Okay, so what you need to do, so write on Nepal government, Ministry of Science and Technology, Singadarbar, Kathmandu. Then after 2 lines, write on subject about purchasing laptop. After 1 line or 2 lines, then what you need to do, you need to draw the line. So draw the line this side also. Okay, so pause the video. You can pause the video and do the topic, do these things. Okay, then after that, what you need to write down? Okay, कसरी purchase गर्ने त कसरी माग्ने त अब माथिल्लो अफिसरलाई. We are the lower level officers and we need to ask to the upper level officer. हामीले गभर्नमेन्टलाई we need to write down the letter. So what you need to write down? So dear sir. Okay, dear sir, the new staffs are appointed. Why we need laptop? Because maybe new staffs are appointed. Okay, we are making an imaginary story. Okay, हामीले आफ्नो story बनाउँदैछौँ. So here the situation may be anything. Otherwise you can say that our laptops are getting spoiled, it is not working, it is out of order, that's why we need a laptop. Okay, that may also be the story. Otherwise what we can say, okay, 5 laptop चाहिएको छ, त्यतिकै त चाहिएको हैन होला. So why we need? Okay, because the technology is changing. So so instead of writing by recording by the hand, okay, by recording in the register, let us record in the computer. That may also be the story. Okay, so we can make our own story. So this is my story. Look at here. Dear sir, the new staffs are appointed in our Research and Development Committee. Okay, so so we are in the science and technology. Science and technology, we are researching. Okay, so science and technology means we are researching different things. So we may be researching about the coronavirus. We may be searching, having the research about the different robotic technology. Okay, so we need different information about what Japan's they are making it. Okay, how to make the different mobiles and all. So these are all the technologies that is going on now in different countries. So you the information in our country, so what we need? Okay, so what we need laptop, we need computer for this one. That means we need fast processing laptops. Okay, एकदम slow वाला हैन, एकदम fast वाला laptop चाहियो त्यसको लागि. So new staffs are appointed in our research and development committee as we are lacking. That means हामीसँग कमी छ, we are lacking laptop for these staffs. Okay, for this staffs, and 2 laptops are already out of order. That means they are already spoiled. Okay, the laptop already बिग्रिसकेछ. Okay, that's why. So altogether 3 laptops are needed for three staffs, and 2 laptops are already spoiled. That means how many laptops we need? We need 5 laptops. Okay, so as we also need to research and record many files and documents, and we are planning to adapt the changing situation for fast result. Okay, so we need to record different things. Register ma search गर्नु भयो धेरै time लाग्यो, so we need to go according to the situation. Okay, so situation अनुसार नै हामी जानु पर्यो. So हामी पुरानो जमानामा register गरेर के भएन त्यो. So that's why we need to record everything in the computer so that we can get the files when we need it. Okay, so by one click we can get the files. That means what we need to do? We need to adopt the new technology. Okay, so for this new technology, what do we need? We need laptops. Okay, so how many laptops? So that you can mention afterwards. Okay, so after the proper study of all the problems, okay, so your problem area, after the study of all the problems, I have come to the conclusion that, okay, so your niskashama, okay, your result ma pare that these problems are genuine. It is true. Genuine means true. Okay, so the real one. So they are true, and thus I feel it reasonable. Okay, so it is reasonable to purchase that computers. Okay, so it is good to purchase. It is good to have go with that latest technology and all. So that's why. So it is reasonable, and so I recommend for the purchase of 5 laptops. भनेर यसरी लेखिन्छ. 5 वटा ल्यापटप चाहिँ किन्ने भनेर यसरी लेटर लेखियो. Then after that, so what do you need to do? So wherever there is a line, dash line, so here we need to do the signature. Okay, so here you can write down the signature of different person. Hari Bahadur, Madan Bahadur, Krishna Bahadur. Okay, any signature you can do it. Do your own signature, right? After signature, your signature. So write down the date. So when you are going to write down this memo, that means this Tiffany, so write down your date, write down administrator. Okay, so do the signature in this one. That's now line point number. So just do the signature. Hari Bahadur, Madan Bahadur, Krishna Bahadur. Okay, so any name you can write down. Sita Kumari, Gita Kumari, Madan Kumari. Okay, whatever name you want. Okay, Dammar Kumari, anything you can write down. Okay, so do the signature. So write on the date, today's date. Do not write on the dotted lines. Make the line over here. So write down administrator. So just pretty small writing la. Say no anything la. And your normal handwriting ma, I recommend to purchase the 5 laptops. Right? So deputy director ले पनि signature गरिदिनु हुन्छ. पहिला administrator ले signature गर्छ, अनि जसले बनायो letter, so he will do the signature. Then after that, deputy director will also sign it. Okay, so let us. I will recommend to purchase the laptop. Deputy director will also do it. Okay, so the lower people, that is the lower level staff, the middle level staff. Okay, middle level staff ma gaeपछि अब के गर्छ त? So they will go to this letter will go to the upper level now. Okay, approved. Okay, managing director will approve this letter. Okay, buy the computer, because managing director is the one who is going to give finance. पैसा दिने त उहाँ हो नि त. Okay, so उनीहरुको प्रस्ताव हो. So the letter comes to this person, deputy director. Then after this person will approve. Okay, so whether the things are genuine or not. Okay, so you साच्चैको चाहिएको हो कि हैन भनेर, so he will research. So when he will say that, okay, so the laptops are really needed once a day, now he will take to the managing director and he will say, okay, buy the laptops. Okay, and finally the company will get the 5 laptops for the company. Okay, so in this way you need to write on this memory dump. I guess that means Tiffany, you can write down. Okay, so if we have not done it, please screenshot, otherwise pause the video and write down the later. And it must be written in how many pages? Only 1 pages. That means एक पेज को हुनु पर्यो. That means एक पेज तलपट्टि gap भयो भने it's okay, but half in the next page, half in the next page. Okay, so I'll give a good one. Okay, a good one. Yes, so if you'll do half in one page, half in the next page. Okay, so it may be of 10 marks. I'll give 10 marks. I'll give 10 marks. Okay, so 10 marks will be given for you. So that's why 0, 1, 10. Okay, so this is the things that you need to remember, and this was for today. Please do all the works and complete and submit your works to us. Okay, so this was for today. So have a good day. Bye bye.